The Real Techniques Mini Miracle Complexion Sponges are 3-in-1 multifunctional mini Miracle Complexion Sponges. Leave skin with a smooth and natural-looking finish. Set of 4 Mini Miracle Complexion Sponges. These 3-in-1 multifunctional mini Miracle Complexion Sponges leave skin with a smooth and natural-looking finish. Best used with liquid or cream foundations. Latex-free revolutionary foam technology made from polyurethane foam. Great for touch-ups on the go and travel. 100% cruelty-free, vegan, and latex-free. Real Techniques Mini Miracle Complexion Sponge is a 3-in-1 multifunctional blending sponge for applying foundation and is ideal for liquid foundation. The Miracle Complexion Sponge is the #1 makeup sponge for smooth foundation application. The Miracle Complexion Sponge is designed with revolutionary latex-free foam technology that fights off everyday growth of bad stuff that comes from old makeup, dead skin cells and more. Use the rounded sides to blend larger areas of your face. Top reviews from the United States. Soft, bouncy, efficient, high value for price. This is just my opinion and experience. I love them. I am using them for my under eyes, to apply a little color corrector and then my concealer. They absorbed water really nicely and products applied smoothly. They're a pleasure to use, then I just toss them into my dirty towel hamper to wash with my towels.